Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, your go-to destination for in-depth product reviews that help you make informed decisions. Today, we're looking at the Waring Commercial BB900G 1/2 HP Chrome Bar Blender. If you've ever been on the hunt for a durable, high-performance blender for commercial use, this one may have caught your eye. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Waring Commercial BB900G is designed with efficiency and power in mind. This bar blender boasts a 1/2 horsepower motor, which is quite powerful for its class, making it suitable for blending everything from smoothies to frozen drinks in a high-demand setting. It operates with a straightforward 3-position toggle switch, a thoughtful feature that makes it easy to operate even in dimly lit environments. It also has a 40-ounce glass container, which is dishwasher safe, and features an easily removable cover with a clear cap. This is perfect for adding ingredients on the fly while keeping everything well contained. The blender's base is chrome-plated, with a waterfall design that's not only stylish but also built to last. In terms of size, it measures 8 inches in width, 16.5 inches in height, and 7 inches in depth, making it compact enough for bar counters and kitchens without too much space. From my experience using the Waring Commercial BB900G, I found the setup process to be very straightforward. The clear instructions and simple toggle switch make this blender easy to use, even if you're not a professional bartender or chef. I decided to test it out by making a variety of drinks, including smoothies, cocktails, and even blending some ice to see how it handles tougher ingredients. The motor is quick to start up, and the blender doesn't seem to struggle with even frozen fruit. The 2-speed options provide enough versatility for most tasks, and the 40-ounce container is a great size for commercial needs, allowing you to blend enough servings without constantly refilling. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. While the glass container is durable and dishwasher safe, it's a bit on the heavier side compared to plastic options. For commercial settings where speed and convenience are key, a plastic container might be preferable as it's lighter and less prone to breaking. But if you're looking for a classic, sturdy option with a more elegant appearance, the glass container does its job well. Another thing to note is that the blender can get a bit noisy during operation. While this is typical for many commercial blenders, it's something to be aware of, especially in a busy environment where you might be running multiple machines at once. As for value for money, the Waring Commercial BB900G sits at a premium price point, but considering its build quality, motor strength, and durability, it delivers solid value for businesses that need reliable performance. It's not the cheapest option out there, but if you're looking for something that can withstand heavy use, it might be worth the investment. In terms of competing products, there are other bar blenders on the market at a lower price point, but they might not offer the same motor strength or glass container. For instance, some competitors come with plastic containers that might not last as long or might not blend as evenly, particularly when it comes to thicker ingredients. So if you need a durable, long-lasting product that's going to get the job done, the Waring Commercial BB900G is a strong contender. When it comes to build quality, this blender is solid. The chrome-plated base is not just for show. It's durable and designed to last, even in a high-traffic commercial environment. The controls are simple, which is a big plus for quick use in busy settings. The removable cover and clear cap also make ingredient additions easier without interrupting the blending process. Given the heavy-duty motor and rugged design, this blender is likely to hold up over time, especially if maintained well. Although I haven't had the chance to test the longevity of this product over several years, Waring is a reputable brand known for creating reliable, durable, commercial-grade appliances. If you're investing in a product like this, the expectation is that it'll last for a good while, provided it's used within its intended commercial context. For the most part, this product seems built to handle the wear and tear that comes with constant use. I haven't needed to reach out to customer service for this model, but given Waring's history of offering solid support for their commercial appliances, I'm confident that any issues would be addressed swiftly. The brand is known for offering reliable after-sales support, which is an important factor when purchasing commercial-grade equipment. To sum it all up, the Waring Commercial BB900G and 1/2 HP chrome bar blender is a powerful, durable, and easy-to-use blender that's perfect for commercial environments. Its strengths lie in its robust motor, stylish design, and practical features, such as the easy-to-remove container cover and the durable glass jar. However, it's worth considering the weight of the glass container and the noise level during use, which might be a factor depending on your workspace. In terms of value, it offers a good return on investment for businesses looking for reliability and performance in a high-use setting. If you're in the market for a commercial bar blender that can handle heavy-duty use, this one is definitely worth considering. It's not the cheapest, but it will likely serve you well in the long term. Thanks for watching today's review. If you have any questions or thoughts on the Waring Commercial BB900G, feel free to drop them in the comments section. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more honest reviews. The link to the product is in the comments box, so you can easily check it out. Until next time, this is Reviews Inside TV, where the reviews come straight from the heart.